So, the first video in this little series explaining why I like Python and why I think it's the future is how did I come to learn Python? So, it must have been about 4 years ago. I was working with a client. We were running social ads, and I realized that we were getting absolutely screwed on the cost per install because Facebook wouldn't return the cost per install in small increments. So I think it was given it as hourly, maybe, or was it daily? Can't remember. Anyway, it wasn't tight enough. And I knew by getting access to shorter, smaller increments in time that we could optimize that campaign better and reduce the amount of money that we were spending on Facebook ads versus the conversion. So when I looked for this data in Facebook, it wasn't there, and I realized the only way to get it was accessing the API, and the only way to access the API was through Python. And then in my head, there was no other option but to start learning Python. So that's how it begun. I was trying to solve a problem for myself and for my client where we were trying to get better results, and the only way to do that was to increase the pace of which we could get data back from Facebook in order to turn on the ads at different time increments. So yeah, as simple as that. That's why I learned Python.